Bro, you all know how Wheezer was taking over my life, right? Now it's a stupid bunny. He's one of them. Let's see. Let's keep scrolling. A lot of random stuff right now. There's another one. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Hmm. 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 Okay. Very good. Look, I've seen this, so many of them. Just 'cause they're not right there right now, don't mean it's another one. It's two more. Two more. Let's see. Is there any more? I haven't scrolled this. Sorry, Adam. Um. Oh, okay. We're going a little faster now. Oh, look, there's another one. I haven't scrolled this far yet, so I don't know what I will find. More Adam. Sorry. I get excited when I see Adam. Don't ask why. She's my favorite. Yippee! Anyways, I think that's it. I think I found them all. And if I missed them, let me know. Okay. Oh, some weird ass shit right now, man. Bye bye.